3 to the power x is equal to x to the power 9. We have to find the value of x. So here you can see we have a number as our base and a variable as the exponent, while on the right hand side we have a variable as the base and number as the exponent. To find the value of this variable, we have to keep the variable one side and number to one side. For that, let's raise both the sides to the power of 1 upon 9x. So it will be 3 raised to the power x whole raised to the power of 1 upon 9x is equal to x raised to the power 9, then whole raised to the power 1 upon 9x. Now there is an identity. If a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, this is equal to a raised to the power m times n. Therefore, this will be 3 raised to the power x times 1 upon 9x is equal to x raised to the power 9 times 1 upon 9x. Now here x and x gets cancelled and this side 9 and 9 gets cancelled. So we have 3 raised to the power of 1 upon 9 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 upon x. Now this 1 upon 9, the equivalent fraction for 1 upon 9, if we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, then it is equal to 3 upon 27. 3 upon 27 is equal to 1 upon 9. So we can write here 3 raised to the power 1 upon 9 as 3 raised to the power 3 upon 27 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 upon x. Or we can write it as 3 raised to the power 3 times 1 upon 27 is equal to x raised to the power 1 upon x. When a raised to the power m times n, we can write it as a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n. So we can write it as 3 raised to the power 3, then whole raised to the power 1 upon 27 is equal to x raised to the power 1 upon x. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. So this is 27 raised to the power of 1 upon 27 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 upon x. Now there is a rule. When a is raised to the power of a is equal to b raised to the power b, in that case a is equal to b. That means x is equal to 27. So this is the value of x. Let's verify this value. 3 raised to the power 27, we have to check whether it is equal to 27 raised to the power of 9. 27 we can write 3 raised to the power of 3, then whole raised to the power 9, and this is equal to 3 raised to the power 27. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 27 is correct. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.